Hello friends out there, welcome to yet another day for product knowledge. I'm Greg Ataku, a proud forever business owner. Today I want to share with us this amazing product, Forever Multi-Marker. Now Forever Multi-Marker is a product that is meant for sex drive. But most importantly, it is good for us to know that with this product, you can always maintain your youthful look. Now Maca does not contain testosterone. Instead, it stimulates the body to produce and regulate it. Now, Maca works to raise what is known as free testosterone, which is a natural testosterone that helps restore youthful energy and appearance. Now, it is very vital for us to look youthful and also be energized. I'm taking mine now. This is chewable. This is multi-marker. I take it to always look energized and look youthful. Very good. Now in getting yours, it's very simple. You can contact whoever that may share this video with you. But then I want us to subscribe to our YouTube channel to getting more videos about our amazing products. Help to share this video. Also like this video and place your comment in that comment box for us to get your feedback. Thank you and God bless.